just 5 minutes on YouTube. That sentence has cost you weeks of your life. No joke. It sounds innocent, but it's a trap, and you're stepping in it every single day. You open the app to learn something, right? One video, maybe two. Next thing you know, it's 1:42 a.m. You're watching how astronauts pee in space, and your to-do list, still untouched. You didn't choose to procrastinate. Your brain just got hijacked. Here's what actually happens. You tell yourself, just 5 minutes. Your brain hears, we're relaxing, so it drops your mental defenses. Boom, dopamine hits. Short videos, catchy titles, fast cuts. You're not watching anymore. You're being pulled. And by the time you wake up from the scroll, you're tired, guilty, and weirdly empty. The worst part, it trains your brain to escape every time life feels uncomfortable. Stuck on a project? Scroll. Feeling lonely? Scroll. A little bored? Scroll. You're not avoiding tasks, you're avoiding yourself. Now, instead of building your dream life, you're building an algorithm's watch time. But here's the reset. Next time your finger reaches for the app, ask yourself one thing. Will this help the future me? Not the tired me, not the bored me, the future me. And if the answer's no, close the app, stand up, and go build something worth watching. YouTube can be a powerful tool, but only if we're the ones using it, not the other way around.